There had been predictions of violence as the deportees were taken from this camp at Moria, the island's largest, to the ferries.
No borders, no nation, stop deportation!
But this protest by international activists was the closest thing to a disturbance.
It's a shame what's happening here. It's a shame for all European countries who are...
The biggest problem is, I think, capitalism.
Let this happen.
These have been nervous days for migrants inside Moria camp. Their future in Turkey is uncertain. For Europe and for this picturesque island, it is a dilemma.
Διότι η Ευρώπη σήμερα βρίσκεται σε ένα σταυροδρόμι. Ένα σταυροδρόμι που από τη μια μεριά οδηγεί στην Ευρώπη του φωτός, της ελπίδας, της ειρήνης, της αλληλεγγύης, των πανανθρώπινων, της υπεράσπισης των πανανθρώπινων αξιών και στην Ευρώπη που οδηγεί στο μαύρο της παρελθόν του φασισμού.
The start of deportations has not stopped migrants from risking their lives to come to these shores. Yet another busload of new arrivals pulls into Moria, a sign the crisis is far from over. Luis Ramirez, VOA News, Lesvos.